guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Happy Cinco de Mayo. This is my fifth and final Cinco de Mayo recipe video. I want to give a shout out to Miss Casa because she's always commenting, always showing love. Even if it's something that she don't eat, she still show love. So this video is dedicated to her. Stay tuned for a small health update at the end. Today I'm going to be making coconut shrimp, definitely inspired by taco flavors, and I want you guys to check it out and let me know what you think down below. Alright, so I have 3 big juicy jalapeños here. I took the seeds out of 2 of them and left the seeds in 1 because you wanted that little spice, you know. You're going to drizzle on a little oil on both sides. You're going to pop this into a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes just to get it nice and softened and pliable. So after 30 minutes, I took it out the oven and these are what they look like, nice and soft and ready to go. And now we're just going to build our dipping sauce for our shrimp. So you want to add your jalapeños down in here. I ended up using only 2.5 because, you know, it was a lot. Again, my jalapeños were huge. You want to add some garlic, some cilantro, some sour cream. If you don't like sour cream, you can use non-fat Greek yogurt, some milk, and some lemon juice, salt and pepper. Pop this on the blender and get the mix in. So since this is Taco Tuesday, you're gonna take your taco seasoning, and that's what we're gonna season the shrimp with. These are medium-sized peeled and deveined shrimp with the tail still on. Moving on, these are the 3 breading stations you're gonna need. You're gonna need flour, egg, and the coconut. I'm gonna show you that in just a minute. So you wanna beat up your eggs just like this. There's my flour in the back. In the bigger bowl, you're gonna add some unsweetened coconut flakes. To the unsweetened coconut flakes, you're also gonna add some Panko breadcrumbs, salt, and pepper. Panko is just to help out the coconut flakes. So 1, it doesn't burn. 2, more of a crunch to your shrimp. This is how I build it. You dip the shrimp in the flour, dust off the excess, dip it in the egg, dust off the excess, and then you really want to pack on the Panko and coconut flakes right onto the shrimp, just like this. Then you're going to put it on a plate. Next, what I did was I put the entire plate, once I was done, in the freezer for 10 minutes while the oil heated up. And that really helped the flakes to stay on there. So like, just pop it in your freezer while your oil is like getting hot. So you want to start putting it in here. I'm not going to lie, y'all. I fried these on 325 because I didn't want them to burn. To most people, that's way too low to fry. But these are coconut flakes, and they'll burn before your shrimp even cooks. So I cooked it on 325 degrees oil so that my flakes wouldn't burn. And this was around number 5 on my stove. Number 5 on my stove. You want to cook them for about 2 minutes on each side until they're nice and perfect and golden brown like this. And I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see what they look like. Yeah, so I just wanted to say, like, these shrimp were just so crispy and perfect. My husband loved them. This is his birthday month, so he's getting a treat. This sauce, oh my God, you guys, this sauce was amazing, and you guys definitely need to make this sauce. It's so good. It also works great as a salad dressing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my little health update and girl chat. Alright, so let's get into the tea about my health. So you guys know what went down last year in the summertime. I'll link that below so you could catch up. Basically, I was admitted in the hospital, sent home, yada 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 yada. Did not know is that I was basically put on bed rest because after doing certain movements, even getting up out of the bed, my heart would start beating really fast. I didn't really want to expose all of that online because I'm just like, you know, I don't need any woe is me and people feel sorry for me. So I was like, okay. Fast forward, after this happened in the summertime, 4 months, I'm in the house, not doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. I done gained like 35, 40 pounds. If you've been watching me, you probably noticed the weight gain. In January, you know, I was talking to a friend. We're not friends anymore. And they were just like, you know, just go for a walk. Just go for a walk. In my mind, I'm like, dang, I'm really scared, because I'm like, if something happened and I'm not with anybody, you know, if my heart start racing, it's like I can't control it. You know, I get fatigued. You know, I have to sit down no matter where I'm at. If it's on the ground, I'm going to have to get on the ground. So I was like, you know, and my husband worked a lot, so it's not like he could come to the park with me every day, or come, you know, he works. He works a lot. So anyway, I took the advice. I went, did my walk. This was against the doctors, you know, what the doctors told me. I went to the park. I did half a lap. Nothing happened. I was like, okay, I'm not going to push it. I'm going to leave it be. I kept going. Started doing full laps. Nothing happened. The next week I did a mile. Nothing happened. But after a while I was like, you know what, let me stop, because I knew there was another test coming up that I had to do. And I didn't want me going against what they're saying to mess with the test that I had to do. Did the test or whatever, and they came back 2 weeks later, and I'm 100% clear. Grateful and thankful to God. All them damn medications was just too much for me, and now I could do what I want, move how I want, go running, jogging, skipping, hopping. I could go do whatever I want to do without being scared in the back of my mind. So I just wanted to update you guys that, you know, they cleared me. Like, they cleared me. And it's like almost a whole year later, you know. I'm just so happy. I'm blessed. I'm thankful. Despite anything that's going on around me or in my life, I'm just so blessed still blessed and thankful for every single thing. Thank you guys for your prayers, your well wishes, checking on me, all of that stuff. Believe me, I was scared, y'all. I was terrified. But it's all gonna come to a halt, because I'm about to get this weight off of me. To celebrate me being cleared, my baby father, okay, he's not my baby father, my husband got me an ab coaster. Woo! Coasters that's in the gym. The one where you put your arm and you swing up and down. That was my favorite machine to use when I was going to the gym. Child, been a minute. And yeah, so he got me one, y'all. I don't know who he think he is. What he want from me? Every time he do something like this, I always be like, what you want from me? But anyway, so I just wanted to update y'all, because I did tell y'all what happened to me, and I wanted to keep y'all on my little journey. So I'm just updating you and letting you guys know what was tea. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, simple, amazing, delicious recipe. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, y'all.